is going on? So, I got the new Hero 7, which I'm talking on right now. I like it. I like it a lot. The one thing that I was a little frustrated with was the fact that I tried to connect it to my helmet because it's Bluetooth to Bluetooth. And I was like, oh yeah, I could do a little moto vlogging here and there. And tried. Wouldn't connect. I was like, well, maybe I have to. I tried it through the phone. I tried it through the GoPro. Nothing. So I got really frustrated and I was just like, oh my gosh, what am I going to do? So I did a whole bunch of research and I came across this app. You can see it tagged on the screen. It's called Mic. And what it does is it takes your phone and makes it so you can talk through your phone. And if you don't believe me, I'll set my phone down here. No phone. Phone's in the other room. So, as you notice, my voice got farther and farther away. So, my voice is here now. I did notice that it does have a delay, especially when I switch. This is what I'm getting at. So I wanted to connect my phone to, or not my phone, but my GoPro to my Sena. So I tested one thing. Tried the AirPods. As soon as I switch to these, you'll notice that it'll go delayed. So, right? AirPod 1, AirPod 2. Is it still recording? It is. Okay, so phone's here. Set it down, and I'm gonna walk away. But now I'm here with you, but obviously there's the voice is like a little bit off. So I'm gonna come back into this room. I'm gonna show you one other thing. Let's take these out. So now I'm back to here, obviously. I'm gonna set this down really quickly here so you can see. We have our sena 20S. Gonna fire that
through this. Now, isn't that dope? So now I have this. Now you'll notice it's delayed, so my hand's moving. You can't see my mouth anymore. But if you start with this connected, start the recording, everything should be pretty synced up. It's like a split second off. You can change that all in post. The quality is a little bit less than if you used like a lavalier mic, like a lot of these people are doing. But you know what I don't have to deal with? Wires. So I like this. I'm not a moto vlogger, so it'll be for just miscellaneous occasions when I'm out riding. So anyways, video is long enough. Make sure you like, subscribe. If you want to see more stuff like this, that would be great to just let me know. If you thought it was bad, thumbs down. Either way, thanks for watching, and talk to you later.